Hey guys, Chris from New Home Buddy here, talking about an exciting new feature that is live now on New Home Buddy. If you're an agent who's ever had to go and post on different forums and multiple Facebook groups looking for something very particular for your client, or even if you're just busy and you need to just put out there, hey, who has what I'm looking for, we have the feature for you. We just launched our amazing buyer request feature, and the way that it works is it's designed around your comfort and your convenience as an agent. You can now go in to New Home Buddy live today, create your request, select from any of the markets in the state that we are live in, type the message in and the price point, and then select which builders you want to get the message. And what's cool about this is if you have connections like I do at all these builders, your connections will actually get the request. So you can control which reps get the request. If you don't have connections at a builder, you can actually just submit it anyways, and it'll go straight to their internet sales counselor who has access to every single community in the portfolio. So either way, you're covered. Either reps that you know and trust or internet sales. So you go in, you write your request, you select the builders you want to get it. You can even draw on the map quickly what area you're looking for, right? You can obviously zoom in as well, make it easier. Great. Attach that map and you hit go. And once you do that, all the builders you selected will be notified in real time of your request, and they're going to be able to go into New Home Buddy and actually send those results back to you, and you'll be able to see exactly what homes meet that criteria live in the website, and then you can mass copy those to your clients, brand it to you, of course, and start setting up those showings today. This feature is live now. It's super easy to use, so start submitting those requests today and watch how easy it has gotten to sell new construction in San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, and Houston with New Home Buddy.